Well, straight away at the top of the hour, we're getting some breaking news as far as the Supreme Court has agreed to conduct a hearing on a plea seeking review of its verdict in the Rafale case. Now, previously, when the judgment arrived, it was given a clean chit to the government as far as the process and the procedure that was done for the intergovernmental deal between India and France over Rafale. Now, we've seen the controversy also that followed when the clean chit was given to the government by the Supreme Court. Now, it seems that the court has now agreed to conduct a hearing on the plea seeking review of its verdict in the Rafale case. Immediately right after the verdict came out, there were calls for a review as well on this, as opposition parties, mainly the Congress party, seems to be suggesting that the verdict is something which is not right and not on the basis where the government has made its submissions in the top court as far as the Supreme Court verdict is concerned. But now what we are getting to know is that the Supreme Court has agreed to conduct a hearing on the plea seeking review of its verdict in the Rafale case. Pooja is with us for more on this. Pooja, how do we see it developing politically as well? Because a clean chit to the government was given by the top court in the Rafale case.
Absolutely. On one side, when we see the Supreme Court actually taking up a review petition to once again scrutinize the Rafale deal and see if there is any scope for approval or not. On the other side, we have the HAL chairman on the sidelines of the Aero India show here in Bengaluru coming out and giving the entire Rafale deal a clean chit, going on